Hello dear friend, today I draw a laptop very easily. First I draw a line. This line that make a square shape. First draw a square shape. Then draw left side and right side. Now dear friend, connect the line. Draw a straight line. Draw left straight line. Now connect them. Now dear friend, draw the same line and also connect the line. Now draw left side line, connect the line and draw same. Now draw a circle, its camera. Now draw a straight line. After draw middle line. Then I draw up one line. Now draw under one line. Now draw some line. Now draw same process, many lines. It's very simple. Dear friends, please hype my video and like, comment please. Now draw, this is a space. Now draw two lines. And fill up this color. Now draw its funny face. Draw two circles. Now draw a mouse. Draw a oval shape. Then draw letter Y. So dear friends, now I color it. Dear friend, if you love this video, please subscribe our channel and comment this video, like, comment, share this video, also hype this video. Thanks for watching.